We were recently gifted this 8-tier steel shelving unit. We're using it here in our basement, but you can use it in your kitchen, garage, bedroom. It's so sturdy, you can use it anywhere. So what I'm going to do is I'll show you a few features of this. I'll show you how easy it is to put together, and I'll give you a little bit more detail. Here is how it arrives. All in one box, very well packaged, and as you can see, everything is well marked, easy to follow, great instructions, no problem at all. Here is how you attach these connectors. There's quite a few of them, but they are very easy to put together. You'll see it says top on this right here, and you just line it up to the appropriate spot, making sure this arrow points to the top, and then you get the matching piece, and then it literally snaps right into place. Very, very easy, top. Hard to mess up, easy to do. Putting this together is really quite simple, and you repeat the same steps again and again. And you'll see on the base, which does have the adjustable legs on it, so you can adjust the heights. You are going to put the brackets and then put the shelf over it, and then we will repeat for the next shelves. It's easy. Now I'm going to show you a few more details and a few more features of this 8-tier steel shelving unit. It's very sturdy, as you can see. And that starts out at the very bottom, that if you have uneven floors, it comes with adjustable feet that all you have to do is twist and very easily can adjust on all 4 legs. It also does come with some wheels if you eventually want to put wheels. For us, we like the stability right now with these legs. We're going to keep it like that for now because that works for us. Also, you'll see it does come with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 shelves. And with each of these steel shelves, and you can see very well constructed steel shelves, it does have a liner, this plastic liner, and it does have a little bit of a texture to keep it in place for all 8, not just one, but each shelf has one of those. So that works out very, very well. And you'll see right here, you can adjust where you put the shelves. So if you want it to be bigger in some areas and smaller space in others, you can definitely adjust that when you put it together. It does have a locking mechanism right here. When you put it on, 2 pieces for each. I'll show you that in a little more detail in a bit. But I do think this is something that is so stable. It's about 6 feet tall. And so it's someplace where you can fit in very easily into a basement, garage, bedroom, pantry, kitchen, wherever you need some tall space. And you can also not have to use every single shelf. So if you only want to make it half the size or make something that's slightly smaller, you can definitely do that. Now let me show you a couple more features about the mesh shelving, as you'll see. And if you want to, you can actually remove the liners and use it without. We like having it in there. Now this 8-tier shelving unit also comes with optional wheels if you want to put the wheels on the bottom. We kept with the flat feet, but it also gives you some extensions for the feet if you want to be able to do something a little bit longer. It does give you other options. We like the flat feet that we have right now that we can adjust extremely easily, but these are also fantastic options. So if you're looking for something that is steel, adjustable, height of the shelves, the ability to adjust it to fit even uneven floors so there's no wobble, and that you have a lot of capacity to be able to handle some weight, I would highly recommend.